This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making steamed chicken with ginger and spring onions. Here is a quick and easy chicken dish that you can make for Chinese New Year. I have here one whole medium-sized kampong chicken. Rinsed and pat dry this chicken. Use 1.5 teaspoons of salt and rub the outside and the inside as well. When I mention kampong chicken, free-range chicken will come to mind. But this is not correct. Kampong chicken is not free-range chicken, but a particular breed of chicken native to Malaysia and Indonesia. It is usually smaller and more tender than your regular chicken. If you can't find kampong chicken, use any regular chicken instead. I'm leaving the head and feet intact because of the Yo To Yo Wei saying for the Chinese New Year. But you can remove the head and the feet if you wish. For this dish, you can also use chicken that has already been chopped up. Set this aside for 2 to 3 hours, or you can use it right away if you don't have time. Next, steam the chicken over medium heat for 20 to 30 minutes till the chicken is cooked. The cooking time will depend on how big your chicken is. Meanwhile, cut the ginger and spring onions into long strips. After 20 to 30 minutes, set this aside and let the chicken cool. Collect the liquid that has accumulated at the bottom of the pan. You will need this for later. When the chicken has cooled, chop it up and arrange it nicely on a serving plate. To chop up the chicken, first remove the legs. Cut the chicken in half along the side of the breastbone and down one side of the backbone. Remove the head and the neck and chop the neck into 2 pieces. Remove the wings from the body at the joint. Separate the wings into the drums and flats. Next, remove the thighs and the drumsticks at the joint between the body and the thigh. Separate the drumstick and the thigh at the joint. Chop the thigh in half. Chop along the other side of the backbone and discard the backbone. Cut up the breast meat into bite-sized pieces. Try and reassemble the chicken on the serving plate. With the breast meat in the center and the wings, thighs and drumsticks on each side. Next, pour the reserved liquid onto the chicken. Top the chicken with the shredded ginger and spring onions. Heat up 75 ml of oil till it's smoking hot. Pour this oil over the ginger and the spring onions. You should hear it sizzling. This is steamed chicken with ginger and spring onions.